Think you're crushing your planks? 90% of people aren't even close. They're just holding bad posture for time. Here's the truth. If your back's sagging or your abs aren't fired up, you're not strengthening your core. You're stressing your spine. Let's fix that right now. Most people think a plank is just stay straight and hold. But here's what they miss. Hips dropping low, that's spine strain, not core work. Butt too high, that's turning your plank into a pyramid. Shoulders shrugging to your ears, instant tension in your neck. Now, the perfect plank looks simple, but it's actually about control, not time. Let's break it down from the ground up. Start with your elbows right under your shoulders, forearms pressing into the floor. Now pull your shoulder blades down and back. Think, lock them into your back pockets. Next, squeeze your glutes like you're trying to crack a walnut. That locks your hips in line. Then, brace your abs. Imagine someone's about to punch your stomach. Finally, your body should feel like a solid board, straight from head to heels, no dips, no peaks. Here's the secret. Your core isn't just your abs. It's your whole midsection, front, back, and sides. Think of it like the foundation of a skyscraper. If it's weak, the whole building wobbles. That's why a perfect plank trains stability, not endurance. Quality beats minutes every time. So here's your challenge. Hold a perfect plank for 30 seconds. Not longer, just flawless. Every second your core shakes, you're building real strength. You don't need to plank longer, just smarter. Now you know the truth? Most people hold, you build. Keep refining, keep bracing, and next time you plank, own every second like it's power training. Because it is.